What is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to get iPABOX on iOS 12. This is another CYDIA alternative application that's going to allow you to get plus apps, tweaked apps, hacked apps, paid apps for free, all that stuff. So first off, we're just going to jump into Safari. I'll leave the link for this down in the description for those of you that want to download it and try it out. But just come to iPABOX.store and we just click on download. And then we'll click on allow. We're going to set up a profile on our device. Click on install in the upper right. Go ahead and put your passcode in. Go ahead and click on install one more time at the bottom, and then we can click on done, and we have iPABOX installed. So we can exit out of Safari, and as you guys can see, there is iPABOX. Kind of a cool looking icon. Let's go ahead and launch it, and I'll show you guys what it's all about. So we do get advertisements. That's known at this point. Anything free is probably going to have an ad on it, but and we have another one. So this is the main page. Pretty straightforward. Not much here. You have installation help. You also have the Apple betas here. So if you want to get the Apple beta profiles, let's say you want to try the newest versions of iOS 12, you can use this to install that, which is pretty cool. Down at the bottom here is where you're going to get to the applications. Like I said, this main page is just a little bit of information. Let's go ahead and click on that little icon, and here are all the applications that you can get from iPABOX. Kind of a cool looking setup here. You do have recently added, you have tweaked apps, CYDIA packages, paid apps, paid games, and then hacked games at the bottom. So you can get hacked games from here. Let's take a look at the tweaked apps, all the plus stuff, guys. Instagram Rocket you can get here, Snapchat++, all the cool stuff. There's a lot that you can get from iPABOX. I'm actually surprised on how many different applications they do have. They even have Apollo Pro, which is pretty neat. We have our CYDIA packages. This is where you're going to get jailbreak apps and other stuff that's normally found within CYDIA. Another really nice section here. As you guys can see, you got channels, iCleaner, a lot of good stuff. And like I said, I'm surprised on the library here. Let's take a look at hacked games. There we go. PUBG Mobile, Clash of Clans. There's a lot of stuff you can get from iPABOX. But that's me pretty much it for this, guys. This is, again, how you're going to get iPABOX on iOS 12. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.